Hello guys, the sixth grade students participated in two special classes with two American guest teachers. The first one was with Liz Marie, and she helped us with the Zumba postcard class. And the second one was the Zodiac and Constellation class with Ali Gale. Those were amazing opportunities for our students to practice English and met native English speakers. So let's see.
I like Christmas because it's so special. It's so good.
I'm looking for pictures right now to use for my postcard, so.
I know. I spent like more than hours looking for pictures. I wasn't so confused how, okay, let me use this.
What's your favorite holiday?
But all holidays are good. Thanksgiving, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't think they have Thanksgiving in Brazil.
What is your favorite food for Christmas?
I don't have favorite food in Christmas.
In United States, they have couscous.
Ooh, couscous. We don't have something like that here, but I love couscous.
Liz, do you know Ali?
I do know Ali. We went to Brazil together. She was my best friend in Brazil.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Alexandra, and nobody needs to be worried about speaking English with me. Yeah, so Steve Robson is going to cover his cardboard with black paper.
Like that.
Then next, number 2, we will study your sign constellation and see what it looks like. Then number 3, we will mark the stars. And number 4, we will glue the stars.
I did put the name of my sign, okay?
What is your favorite holiday?
I think my favorite holiday is Christmas because my whole family comes together
Me
and
too.
I can see